Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recipe book on Canva step by step in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned cook wanting to share your favorite dishes or someone looking to create a personalized gift, Canva makes it simple and fun. Let's dive into the process and get started. First off, open up Canva on your preferred device. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an intuitive graphic design platform that's freely accessible online. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar and type in recipe book. This will allow you to explore a variety of pre-designed templates that help get your creative juices flowing. Now, browse through the available templates. You'll find an array of styles from minimalistic to vibrant, each offering a different aesthetic for your recipe book. Take your time here, as the template you choose will set the tone for your entire project. Remember, you can always tweak the template to better fit your vision, so don't worry if it's not perfect at first glance. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on Customize this template. This will open up the chosen layout and you'll get to modify it as you please. This step is where the magic happens, as you're free to personalize virtually every element of the design. After clicking on Customize, it's time to change the text and images. Start by replacing placeholder text with your own recipe details. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to suit your taste. Make sure to proofread your recipes carefully to ensure everything is spelled correctly and measurements are accurate. Canva also allows you to add new text boxes if you decide to include extra notes or tips beside your recipes. Updating images is just as straightforward. If your template includes illustrations or photos that you'd like to swap out, simply click on the image and choose Replace Image. This will allow you to upload your own food photos or select from Canva's extensive library of free images. Quality and customization of images can make your recipe book come alive. So, choose visuals that reflect each dish's appeal. Once everything is aligned with your vision, double check your work to confirm that all pages have a consistent, cohesive look. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything you've created, it's time to download or print your splendid recipe book. Click on the download button in the top right corner and choose your preferred format, such as PDF. If you're planning to print the book, make sure to select the right size and resolution for clear, high-quality prints. And there you have it. You've just created a beautiful, personalized recipe book on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy sharing your culinary creations with friends and family. Happy cooking and designing.